Ugh. Oh my god. Why I keep doing this every time? So yeah, I definitely was crying, and it's fine. So I ended up, the audition thing ended up coming, and then obviously it has an age which was about 3 years something younger than mine, and then that was the like age limit, and then I was by procedure legally I'm not able to do it. So I was definitely like sad and everything. That's why I said yeah, I was crying. But then you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It doesn't really matter at all. I mean, it does matter. I am definitely sad. I was actually not expecting this at all, honestly, considering how I thought about the situation. Which is why sometimes I wonder, I think a lot, but there could be situations where I am also wrong. But honestly, I did not thought about it. It's like, it's fine if it happened because understandable, but then again, like I said, I did not thought about it actually. But then anyway, since it happened, so yeah, it was supposed to be like a very major event changing thing for me, honestly, because it was a very big and important thing at a very big and important moment in the life. Because right now I am like very much stuck and I'm not sure what where I'm supposed to do what, so that could have been helpful, but I cannot do that, I guess. Normally that is, but I want to figure out something. So the muse watching this, I was worried sick, even like not just like today and before, but I was worried sick from like a long time about everything. And honestly, it is not just for the specific audition. I have been like worried sick throughout my whole ass life. So this is not like very new for me. But it's fine. You know why? Because I'm not going to give up or anything. I will sit and I will like I'll probably like cry for more 1 or 2 more days. I guess it doesn't matter, but it's fine because in the end, I'm still going to do what I need to do. Because honestly, though, my life has not even like started for me to like end it just because of a certain age criteria. And am I worried about my age? Definitely, I am becoming old. I might not look like that, but I am definitely getting old. And again, I know it's not exactly my fault. I didn't got the chances and the opportunities when I was supposed to. I was in fact like surviving my life back then. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to do what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm going to do it no matter what. I'll figure out some way. I'll do anything. I might even actually like do anything that is possible, and I might just make a new way. It doesn't matter for me. I am going to do this because I've already like you already no the me who's watching this, we have already like went through like a lot of bullshit in life for this one to just like stop me because definitely not. I guess it's a good opportunity for me. I guess I'm not saying I'm not going to do it. I will still found out. I will figure out something. I'll try to do anything. I might as well at least like try and go and show myself, not just for like other people, but also for my own self. Because I obviously have like no idea how to do things, so I need to figure out. So I will do anything that is possible right now. I know that I cannot partially do it because of whatever this age thing that is happening right now, but I will still try to do it somehow. Even if I know that I am like older for this specific important event in my life, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to give up or anything. I did not even like started my life to give up. So I make this because in case the you who's probably like me who's watching this in future, you don't like worry at all. I'll I'm going to probably worry another like 100 times. I'm not going to get suddenly like some kind of almighty powers or anything. I'll definitely always worry. I will get. I was literally having like panic attacks like recently, but it doesn't matter. I will do all that, and I'm still going to continue to do the things that I have to do. In fact, now I'm going to try more harder because like why not? So yeah, don't sit worrying. I'm not going to like sit crying anymore. If only I was like smart enough, honestly, like being honest though, if I was smart enough and I would have done these things before, but it's fine. Like, what could I have done? I was surviving life and I was surviving everyone and everything around me. What I could have even done before. The one who's like the future is watching, you should already know about this. What could I have done? Even though I ended up blaming myself throughout my whole life, but I just didn't knew any better. At least I'm able to accept that right now. I would have just like been blaming myself if not for this much, even this tiny bit of smartness. But anyway, it's fine. I'm going to like go and I'll figure out what to do next. So don't sit worrying. You'll probably like if the me who's like if you're watching this from like future, probably you must have been. I'm not going to give up, neither you should, and you should probably be in some place like way bigger than whatever I'm thinking right now. Why? Because I'm not going to sit like crying because of certain things that I cannot change or which is not in my hand. Well, I'll figure out some way. I'll see what I can do. I will like work hard. I will work smartly, and most importantly, I'll probably like I'm going to sit crying. It's not like I will not, but I will get up even actually as soon as I can, and then I will get back to do the things that I'm supposed to do. So don't say like don't be worried. I'm not like the old me anymore who will sit crying for like years and months, even weeks. I'll just cry for like a while and I'll get back to do things I'm supposed to do. Hmm. I ended up eating like junk food finally. I should have not done that. It was disgusting. Ended up wasting a bit of money, but that's also fine. I will eating it once is not going to change anything. So yeah, I'm not giving up. You are not giving up. Giving up. Neither are you. So yeah, that's all I came to. That's all I wanted to say. I ended up again like making this too long unnecessarily. Yeah, I'm going to go. Probably will like overthink again for a while, plan something again for a while, and try to do whatever I can. I will do everything other than giving up on myself, honestly, because like I said, it came too far along to be like doing that. So yeah, this guy could be like major point of failure in my life, I think, because before this is not even a failure because I did not even got considered in the first place. How can it be a failure? Was usually whenever I try to do something, I ended up always getting it, but this time, no, I'm not going to let some kind of stupid thing like age criteria like hang me in my own life. So, yep. I know all these things that I worry about how my age is, how short I am, how my background is fucked up, how mostly everything around me is also fucked up. My own mind is fucked up, honestly, most of the time, but that also doesn't matter because I'll try to find a way, and if I don't find a way, I will try to create a way. I will do anything. So, yeah. So that when I watch this in future, I might be just like proud of whatever I have been doing so far. And not, I don't want to just to be like proud. I want you to be at like somewhere pretty big in life, not just like sitting here like this, like me. So yeah, like I said yesterday, I still love music and I'm forever going to do it. And there are multiple other things why I need to do this. So I'm just going to do it. I'll not stop doing this because I don't know what else to do. But anyway, yeah. Do your best. and be happy, and I'm going to work hard for you, for myself, for my past self, for my future self, for my father, for all the dreams that I have, for everything, for just me being me. Yep. So don't worry, I'm not going to give up and cry or whatever. I'm going to do. I'm going to probably start training much seriously from now onwards actually. So yeah.